All right, today I'm gonna teach you guys how to do this type of footwork. You might have seen this with Michael Jackson, James Brown, Chris Brown. Everybody does this type of footwork step. I'm gonna teach you the basic one and then how to level it up to something faster like what I just showed you. So the first thing we need to do is get some control of our weight here. So you're gonna start with your feet in, and this is gonna feel really weird, but you're gonna go on your left toe, you're gonna go on your right heel, and you're gonna turn both your feet out to the right. And then you're gonna bring them back in and set them down. And you might feel your body like kind of wiggling, wobbling. You wanna squeeze your core, bend your knees a little bit, get really grounded, get your weight centered, and then boom, back in. One more time. Left toe, right heel, out, back in. Then you're gonna switch it. You're gonna go right toe, left heel, and we're gonna turn both feet to the left. Back in, same thing. Notice how I'm not wobbling, I'm stable, shoot, right back in, boom. One more time, boom, right back in, A. Good, now we're gonna go side to side and you're gonna switch that weight. So left toe, right heel, out, bring it in, switch it up, out, bring it in, switch it up, out, bring it in, switch it up, out, bring it in, switch it up. And you might notice that at first you have to really think like toe, heel, left, right, it's all this stuff. After a while, this is gonna become so second nature. You just need that practice and repetition. So now, if you got that, let's try and speed it up a little bit faster. 7, 8, you go out, out, out. Notice how my upper body is really still. So I'm not really leaning, doing anything crazy, just keeping my body in the center, letting my legs, my ankles do all the work. Now the next step here is you're gonna speed it up again. So we're gonna double it. You're gonna go dot, 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 and a dot, 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 and a dot, dot, dot. You can even faster, dot, 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 dot. Take a breath. All right, so as you see, once you get the basic step, just by speeding it up, it looks a whole lot different. But now there's a few more things we can do to level this up even more. The first one is changing the timing and the repetition. So instead of just singles, it looks way cooler if I go single, single, double, single, single, A, right? Because there's that little, oh, what's he going? Oh, back into it. The next thing that makes it look cooler is messing with my upper body and my levels. So if I just stay here like this is cool for a second, but what if I go down, down, A, bring it up, hey, maybe I look, hey, maybe I add some arms, hey, right? All of this is just little details that you add to it that give it a little bit of a life, so it's not just your legs. So what you do is once you figure out a step, once you get the basics down, you're gonna put a song on and you're gonna practice for the entire song, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, whatever it is, just doing that step. Maybe starting slow, maybe doing 4 to the same side, maybe doing 1 slow, A, 1 slow, A, right? Maybe trying some different arms. Hey, what's that feel like? All of these things are different experiments, ways that you can get more comfortable with the step. So hopefully this has been helpful. Practice this step. I promise if it feels crazy to you right now, you practice it every day for 5-10 minutes. In a week, it's gonna be second nature. You're gonna be able to mix this into your freestyles. And remember, this move is key for all the glides, all the different types of footwork that you'll learn in later tutorials. So if this was helpful, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next video.